And welcome guys to another little tutorial on our tower defense. Now in this tutorial we are going to be moving out of a static class that we had and into a regular class one. Some people don't like statics, other people don't, yada yada yada. It all depends on how you feel about single dose variables like that. So in any case, what we're going to be doing today is taking some of the code that we've written before and take it out to this say shop data. Shop data will end up being used, but it will no longer be static. So I'm going to take the static off of it. For one, this makes static right here made sure that in the life of the program it will always be there, which is kind of nice and convenient for certain things, but other things not so much. Next, we need to get systems.collections and everything. We got to make sure our shop variable has collections, which it does. So now we need to do this list. So I'm going to copy this list, okay, into like so, copy, and then I'm just going to cross it out. I'm going to go in the shop, I'm going to paste it in here, okay, and then save. Alright, and the reason why I do it this way is in case I make some form of mistake, I can go back here and recopy it. So we're going to go down here to the next thing. Public static spawn more tech. Now I've changed the signature to require a prefab and a transform. And it's static. So anything that uses this will have to provide as well. So we can have quite a few decent variations of it really quickly if we really wanted to. And because this is static and everything, I'm going to put this at the very bottom. Now this one, I don't know why it keeps doing this and saying that this is wrong. It's not. Stop that, you silly fool. Okay, so we got shop data, this one. Now we've got to get the next one. And I'm going to take all these and just go in here like so. Cross it out. Make sure I save. I am a frequent saver. So if you see me save like 3 or 4 times in a row or something, then you probably are just, I try to do over redundancy on saving a lot of times. So now we've got this problem. It does shop data dot get. So all we have to do to fix this is go shop fit. And that will get rid of one error. Okay. And then we have binary context. This does not exist in the context. And that's fine, because it shouldn't exist. It was the beginning of a function that's in the statics that no longer exists. So now we can go in here, exit this out, exit this out. Pretty much this class right here is pretty dead now, which is fine. It should be. rshop.transform. Why are you saying this does not exist? Game resources exist all the time, and I don't know why the heck you sit there and say that it isn't. Okay? It exists. Stop being stupid. But in any case, we don't have to have it in that form now anyway. Because all we have to do is put this dot transform now. Because where this is exactly underneath where we need it to be. So we can replace all this with this dot transform. Okay? And there we go. So everything that we need is here now. It just bothers me that this is still doing that. And I have absolutely no good answer why. Spawn data no longer works for me. You don't need any of this crap. Now we go is spawn. Okay, so now it all does what it's supposed to again, without a doubt. And spawn data no longer is an issue with the static variable stuff. So we pretty much killed this class. So let's go back in our editor and see how badly we blew up the game, where it doesn't work anymore. And we don't have, looks like, errors. Okay. We don't have like compiler errors, but do we have runtime errors? Is the question. So shop. We're here. Okay. Boom. We get steel. We get copper. We get wire. And we get this. So our buy buttons are completely refactored the way they're supposed to. Marvelous. Great and happy. So that is everything we need. Resources / buy mats. And all you got to do is add more to here. And the scriptable object will do everything that it needs to. For example, the steel, the normal thing, I will put this right here. Or let's put this Tower 1 raw for the steel thing. And it'll, because it's in the scriptable object now, when I go to shopping, it will have the appropriate, what? Really? Are you serious? So why are you not buying? I want the normal highlight, man. I want the highlight. Shop button. Click enter and then the normal. Are you serious? You are not wanting to work? Oh, no, 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 my pretties. You are going to work. Oh, it doesn't set the highlight. Oh, well, wait, we don't. Oh, that's why. Oh, so this dot the variables aren't filled in. Okay, so all right. Okay, boy. Let's talk now. Okay. So we don't have access to these variables yet because of shop buttons thing is it's private. So we have to do a protected because we want them to go across, but we don't want them to be accessible, and that's how you extend them out to be more than they are. Okay, so we're going to take this and save, but we go back up to buying here, and now we do this dot highlight equals key dot highlight this dot normal equals key dot normal. Okay, and there we go. Don't you dare say you're going to try to do that. I'll tell you what right now. Oh, actually, no. Wait. Nope. I'm not going to do this. Nope. Here's what we do. We have shop. I can't believe I didn't do this right off the bat anyway. We extend and do this, okay? But what we should be doing is this right here. This will be public virtual. Okay, this will be the shop button. And what it will do is, remember how I had this buying here? And I had these. Take these. Go to shop button. Put them in. No! Copy this. Okay, put this crap here. Okay? This crap here. Okay? Now when we go to buy, we don't need this crap. What we need is public override, and then call base dot buy and pass it key. This will go through here and we'll call this version of it, but when it gets to base.thing, it'll call the base version and this version. Okay? And that's how that works. Oh. I probably didn't even show that. Whoops. My bad. Here it is. We went and put it into the shop button. We go virtual. The key has this crap. Okay. Which means we don't have to have this way no more. Bloop. Bloop. We can put it back the way it was, and it will be fine. So, public virtual, because we're calling this outside the script, and we just do this dot stuff, okay? This dot highlight sprite, this dot normal, key dot highlight, normal, things like that. And then we call the base version here, and this is an override in the buy button. The base version calls, and then this one. So the highlight images and stuff like that get set here, and this, but this still needs to be set right here. Which, in all honesty, we could take this out of here and put this in shop button. Makes more sense. So let's go in here into the editor. And And let's see our stuff go either crash and burn or run pretty good. And it should. It should run fantastic. So we'll go shop. Yep, there we go. It changes and all that. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay, enough of that. So, in any case, it works now and it does perfectly fine. It gets spawned in and all that good stuff. So, this is where I'm going to cut the video, and we will be working on the next tab, which is the build tab. But before we do that, we're going to have to probably change. No, we'll probably deal with building, and then we will move on to research and a lot of the other stuff. Maybe state switching next. It probably would make sense to do state switching, but I don't think we should yet. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace out, everybody, and I will try to get another video out to you guys pretty shortly. Thanks for watching. This is War over and out.